What's up guys, this is Ref and welcome back. So iOS 16 was just announced a couple weeks ago in WWDC. And lately I've been started to notice in the recent iOS updates that Apple is starting to shift more in the customization side, which they are not previously not known for. As we all know, Android OS is the customization king between two of them. You can technically do anything on it. You can customize it on your own liking, and if you're more like an adventurer, you can root it and put a custom ROM. While on Apple's side, you can only customize your iPhone depending on what Apple will say so. But right now, they're starting to shift, and little by little, they're opening up the iOS more in customization. With this new iOS 16, the biggest feature on it would be its lock screen. Now you can edit and customize it. You can also put some widgets and change its fonts. There are a lot of good new features of the iOS 16, like the live text in videos, focus filters, editing your text, and yes, we are able now to edit, send text messages on iMessage before we can edit a tweet. But anyway, the biggest selling point of the iOS 16 would be its feature to customize your lock screen. This looks like a copy of what Google did on Android 12. And to be honest, when you browse the gallery of the wallpapers, with suggested photos and theme collections for the inspiration, this looks like the one in the MIUI themes as well. I think it's inevitable that iOS and Android OS in the long run will have the same features and the same level of customization once they hit their maturity period. Apple's doing it slowly but surely. iOS becoming like an Android OS is inevitable. iOS need that in order to survive. This is a good thing in the long term because this will help Google to do better in terms of customization and improving the Android OS. So it's a win-win situation, and I like what Apple is doing right now with iOS 16. I'm not downloading the iOS 16 on my phone yet since there are some bugs and battery life issues, but I will be waiting for its public beta. So what do you think of the iOS 16? Do you like its new features? So comment down below. So thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and see you soon. Peace out.